Look at the line, guys. So, ayan, oh. Yan papunta dito sa Marble Mountain.
This is Jessie Ketz. Welcome to my channel. And I'm inviting you to see the view from my window.
Kaya natin yan. 15 minutes. Ayan, oh. Video yan. Ayan lang, guys. Kaya ba natin to? Kaya!
50, 40 yung entrance, 15 yung
Take the elevator up, guys. Ayan, oh. Sana, ready? Oh, patay ako. Bakit? I'm afraid of heights, ma'am.
Nakakasakay ka ng aeroplano sa
Airplane yun, hindi ko yun nakikita.
Bumigid ka, hindi mo makikita.
Jacob, nakita ko may hagdanan.
Gigising, kaya mo maglakad.
Hindi ako, titingin lang ako sa likod niyo.
At sinabi ni Amy, 40,000 dong yung entrance, tapos 15,000 dong yung elevator to go up. One way lang yun, guys, ha. Pababa, you need to buy again another 15,000 ticket to go down dun sa, ayan pala ang makikita pag akyat nyo, guys. Yan, so glass siya, makikita nyo yung likod. Ayan, o diba, ang ating aerial view ng Danang. Well,
Agad tayo, guys. Ayan. Ito yung pasakay ng lift. Ang galing nila, ang galing ng construction nila. Bakit? Konti lang pala eh. Ayan na yung pagoda. Ayan, papasok tayo sa pagoda. Ayan, ayan, oh. There's the pagoda.
Magpapicture tayo dito sa mountain, oh.
Oo, saan? Dito. Dito. John Jaker. Dito.
oh, ayan ang aming selfie sa pagoda sa labas, guys. Well, talking about yung Marble Mountain, guys, it's good for hikers who love also climbing mountains. Maganda yung view at saka makikita mo nga rin yung aerial view ng Danang. So, ayan, let's continue the journey.
Mataas ba? Hayaan mo na, Jay. Dahan-dahan lang ako. Yung matanda na, kaya mo ayun. I'm the elder in the group, guys. Ito kami sa cave. Ayun nga, okay, nakalagay. Right. Tongkang Cave. Ayan, Tongchong Cave.
Yung number 10?
Basta yan mo na.
Marami kasing cave eh.
Ayan.
Yes, 100 points tama si Wee. Maraming cave. At this point in time, we knew that we are lost. Well, always take a map or the photo of the map with you. So, ayan ang mga picture namin, guys, na naghanap. Ito actually ang map. O, diba? O, yan. So, kung kaya nyo yan, guys.
Guys, pawis na kami. Hindi namin kinaya. We are only number 3, Mamu. From the map, we made it until number 3, guys. Okay. I'm concerned sa mga leg injuries and matatanda. I don't recommend. Hanggang dito lang kayo sa pagoda. Yun lang. Okay, let's go, guys. Kasi,
Sasabihin ko, we are ready now?
we are going down.
Ready to go down.
We are going down, guys, kasi...
Makakarami tayo ngayon.
Wow, tuwa si Mamu! Guys, we are going down. Ayan. So, ang ticket, guys, hindi one way. One way lang yung ticket. Tapos you will have to buy another ticket to go down. Pero at least, nakarating kami sa mountain. Mountain foot. Ayan. Ayan o. Ha? Ticket, yes. Sino? We're going up, up, up.
Wala kang ticket. Pwede ka pala bumaba. Oh.
Hindi.
Nasa nag-check?
Ayun na, sino ko? Doon nag-check. Saan? O sige, mag-jump shot kayo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go na. Nagaga? Ah, uy, kasabay rin namin kayo.
Because of my leg injury, guys, I didn't continue climbing up the mountain. So sila po yung nag-continue, and I met mommy na yung mga anak niya rin ang kasama niya. Well, ano sila, free trip kasi nga dun sa company na pinag-work niya, binigyan sila ng trip to Danang. 'Di ba ang swerte? So yun rin ang nakasabay namin dito sa lift na mapapanood nyo.
Success!
Success! Yes. We call it success, guys. Kasi nga, we made it sa Danang Marble Mountain. Although ako huminto, sila ay nag-continue. Pero syempre, I don't recommend this sa mga may leg injury. Kasi nga, hiking ito, guys. Pero it's good for health. O yan na po ang aming visit is sa Marble Mountain of Danang. Try it out!
Picture?
Ha?
Picture?
No, video.
Video?
Yeah. Oh, you say hello. Hi, this is tour driver.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
Manito.
Tom.
Driver.
You book Tom. Good driver. What's up? We will put here what's up. Okay, it's okay to put what's up here.
Yeah.
I have YouTube.
Oh.
A small YouTube channel.
Okay.
Okay, we will put your number, ha? Ayan, bakit fresh si Mama?
Si Mama Ims na
Mama Ims, bakit nagpaayos yan? Bakit siya fresh?
And with that, we're off to our next stop.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, we are here at Tiago. Yan oh. Muslim friendly. Ayan yung menu, i-post nyo na lang. Hi guys, ayan o, ang hangin sa labas. Dito kami sa Tiago. Ayan o, Tiago.
Well, guys, this is Mamu's recommendation on the Tiago is a Michelin restaurant then. So today we will test their food, we will eat.
Anong dinilit mo?
Wala, hindi tayo ready pa dun.
Well, ayan. Ano ba? Ready na ba kayo? Ready. Ano masasabi nyo sa magaganda nyong kutis?
Ano ba yung kulang natin na hindi natin
Rosy cheeks.
Wow, very good. Yan na yun? Aming pagkain. Yung pagkain namin, guys. Yan.
Gusto mo ba, Mamo?
Sige. Thank you.
Wala tayong nag-usap
This
pa?
and this go with this
Okay.
and this go with this.
Okay.
And use the rice table to wrap.
To wrap. Yeah. Wrap daw. Wrap mo yan.
Wrap this with vegetable.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ano dali rin saan?
Ito yung mga yan, fresh vegetable dito,
Kailangan
ganyan.
pa ba natin ng soup? Hindi na.
Parang kulang.
Maya na. Sige.
Ha? Gusto mo? Ano?
Hindi ko alam sa inyo.
Isa lang na to.
Ha? Isa?
Hi guys. Alcohol kayo. Siyempre, wash your hands. Joke.
Ay,
Ano ma? Sige. So sorry. Ano nandiyan ba?
ay cutleries nandiyan.
Oo, nandiyan.
Yun.
Fork. Okay.
Chopsticks.
I want ano na lang fork.
Kaya nga. Ha? Bayhan.
Bayhan na lang daw. Fork. Cheers.
Ano ba?
Viewers. sabi niya, Mama Ay? Ito sa TVT? We will dip here. Sarap, authentic. Tapos itong chicken saan?
Yung fried ang saan.
Ito yung ano.
Ang hang-hang ha.
Ay, na dito sa maanghang dito eh. Maanghang din.
Wala akong matamis-tamis doon ang
Yummy. Tapos.
Well guys, ang sarap ng pagkain kahit medyo maanghang. It's according to our palate. Yun. Tiago guys, it has received Michelin BIB Gourmand for 2024 to 2025. Tiago is known for Vietnamese food, especially dishes from Saigon, Ho Chi Minh, and the Mekong Delta. And if you are also have a dietary preferences like vegetarian, meat-free option plus Muslim-friendly arrangement, no pork, no lard, no pork seasoning, you can have them made for you. Atmosphere is moderately casual but well regarded. Many seem to like the ambience and the service. Price, it's not so ultra cheap but reasonable. So, ang aming rating sa aming kinain is 4 out of 5. Yummy! By the way guys, mas gusto nilang magbigay kami ng review sa Google kaysa tips. O diba? Really? Service to the max. So, ayan, another unlock button, guys. We ate in the Michelin restaurant. That's our photo, guys. Thank you nga pala sa nagpicture sa amin.
A few moments later.
See you, Tom. Guys, we are here sa Coconut Forest boat ride. Sabi yung madilim. Okay. Hi. Wala tayong... Yes. How much boat?
The one bowl only 2 person.
Okay, no problem.
4 person to go the 2
Okay, how much?
to go and back about 40 minutes.
Uh-huh.
When outside the river, you see dancing show.
Okay.
You see fishing.
Okay, how much?
In the boat. The one person that 300,000 down.
Ha?
One person that 300,000 down.
Tingnan mo.
One person? Oh.
A few moments later.
Yes, umbrella there.
Well, guys, since nandito na kami, ayan yung conversion sa taas. So, mas mura talaga mag-book kayo sa Klook. And then, pumunta na lang kayo doon. Just like what we did. Kasi meron naman kaming personal hire na Grab driver. So, the payong, the hat, the life jacket, kasama na yun doon sa renta nyo. Ayan.
Hi, we're riding the boat. Hello, hi. Where are they? Oh, Vietnam. Oh, bravo. Oh.
Sa kabila mas marami.
Kaya nga. Kaya nga, hindi na tayo ng ano natin dun eh. Ayaw mo na. Magparab na lang tayo, 400 lang naman mama. Sabihin mga coconut ano to ah. Coconut nut. Is the giant coconut nut a giant nut? Mali pa yung kanta ko.
When you eat
Too much, you get very fat.
nag-trip.
Ano, picture. Oh, batching. Wait lang, ma'am.
Ay,
wait
lagay
lang.
mo yung hawak mo dito, oh.
Saan ba? Sabi niya ang bigat ko daw, hindi siya sabi niya makasagwan.
What is that?
The umbrella.
Bakit nahulog?
Nilagay niya yung
Hinahawakan ko na kasi kanina, ayaw pa niya.
hayaan mo nalaglag hinangin. Umbrella. That's your umbrella ha. It's okay. No problem. Hayaan mo, ma'am. Huwag kang masyadong magpanik kasi pag nagpanik ka, magpapanik siya. You hide it inside.
Bakit pa nahulog?
Eh kasi, uy, may malaking boat. Ayan sa likod, oh. Beep beep ha. Punta daw dyan. Oh, too much!
It was at this moment that she knew. She
Yes guys, hindi namin alam kung ano nangyayari. So Kuya Boat, sumampa din ito sa big boat. Ayan o, naka-angkla siya dyan guys. O, 'di ba? Kaya kami ni Mamo nagpanic but we stayed calm. At hinahanap namin yung dalawa. At ganun rin pala yung ginawa sa kanila. Well, I think it's part of their boat ride show. O, 'di ba? Pinapakita nila na ang galing nila or for the thrill, para magkaroon ng thrill. Expect the unexpected daw.
Oh, wala lang. For the fun lang. Oh, pinakita lang niya sa'yo na magaling siyang magsagwan. Ano, magaling ba siyang magsagwan? Hindi. Tama siya. Ayan o, diba? May bahay sila dyan o. Coconut ganda ha. Ganda ng bahay nila. Tapos kung gusto nila mag-boat, magbo-boat sila. Hindi sila thrilling.
Mimilit sila.
Pinilit sila. No. Kasi gusto nila eh. Ano daw? Sumakay daw doon. Ay, doon. Heart attack. Slowly lang daw, Jaker. Scared. No. Huh? Yeah, but scared. No. Sabi niya, boring naman itong mga kasakay.
Tingnan natin kung may hakay.
Slowly? Ha? Mapapayat sila, mama. Ano ka ba? Kaya nga.
Sanay sila sa ganyan kasi may sasakyan silang ganyan, di ba? Sa ano?
Sa Korea?
Oo. Hindi yung mismong malaking bilog.
Oo.
Ang tawag doon.
Guys, ayan ang activities dyan sa boat ride. You will have to ride another boat para yung mga gaganyan kayo paikot-ikot, o, 'di ba, for the fun. Tapos doon sa kabilang side, kung nakikita nyo far away, meron din naman nagkakaraoke doon, o, 'di ba? Yan yung attraction ng Coconut Boat Ride Forest. Ayan, paligid pala yan ng Coconut Forest.
Iba yung mga performers. Ayan ang mga performers. Oo.
Naka-plain.
Oo.
White tsaka yellow.
Tapos yung mga rider, iba din. Oh, ayun no. Nasaan na sila? We will watch only. Ayan. Galing niya ma'am, baka ikutin niya kasi sumasayaw ka.
Okay, yes, sige.
No. Video. Hindi, dance. He will dance only. For us, no, ha? Gangnam Style.
Oh, Gangnam Style.
But for us,
Okay, sibil, salami.
no. Wag ba? This one good Wow, very nice Galing niya
Galing nila mag-balance
Oo nga Yung pa Ang daming boat. Entertainment nila nandito sa gitna ng boat. Si karaoke. Ayun, may karaoke sila, may exhibitionist. Oo, sabi ko sa'yo, huwag mo nang tanggalin. Kasi nga may pulis. Sige mo, pasok mo. They're our best guys.
Naku na muna kami, Jaker.
Oh, ayan o. Ayan na.
Nahuli ako dito, medyo inikot sila ng kanilang driver ng boat.
Hindi nga, seryoso ako.
Ayun. Hello guys. Ano masasabi mo, Mamu? Maganda dito. Oh, yung totoo. Doon na tayo sa totoo. Right. Maganda daw sa boat ride, guys. Yan. Pero, we suggest you book it in advance, Club, kasi mas mura pag Club. O, diba? Kami kasi, nabudol kami. Akala ko si Kuya sabi niya may good price daw siya. Sinabi niya, hindi. Good price. Hindi daw good price. Ito is 40 minutes ride. Hindi na kasama yung lunch. Pero sa Club kasama yung lunch. O, ayan na. Mabuhay daw sila. Mabuhay. Baka iladlag na tayo sa pag nakita niya kung magkano lang. Yeah, come back. Bye-bye daw. Bye-bye. We are going.
Well, ang galing ng tourism nila guys for me. Na-observe ko na every little thing ginawa nila na attraction. Kagaya na ito, this is a coconut forest by the way. Tapos, they find it, of course, siguro ma-amaze ka sa lugar and how they made a boat. Tapos, pinagkakitaan nila. So, yung activity is yung nga, is twirl kayo. Tapos, may karaoke. And here are some of our photos. I will try to say it. Bay Mau Kam Ta Coconut Forest Ride. It's near Danang and Hoi An. It's a basket boat ride, round boat basket through narrow canals lined with coconut palms in the Kam Tai or Bay Mau Coconut Forest. During the ride, you often see local fishermen demonstrating net fishing, sometimes boat spinning performance. And that's our boat ride experience. Thank you guys for watching and watch out for the next episode of our Danang Travel Diary. And remember to always be a blessing to others. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. Follow me also on all my social medias and let's be friends. Later!
It's a wrap for you, baby.